Hello friends, welcome to Squaird Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to be designing a line vertical planner layout for the first week of May in my health and fitness planner. So come plan with me. And I've got these washi tapes here all ready to go, as well as this set of stat stickers that I may use, one of them, and these Happy Planner sticker books, which I'll pull from. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down some wax paper and get started on the design for the week. I have an idea of which stickers I'm going to use here. I really liked these terracotta kind of succulent plants in this Happy Planner gardening sticker book. And so I thought, well, I would use up this sticker sheet here with the paper stickers and create just kind of like a little patio full of plants, if you will. That's what I was thinking. I definitely wanted to define the color scheme, so obviously the terracotta color of the pots is a pretty strong color here, and then the green of the succulents. So I thought, okay, well, that could be a basis for the color scheme, and pulled a couple of washi tapes to go along with that. I also pulled a washi tape that has a list of botanical names for different types of plants I thought might match well with this theme. So I'll try to pull that in as well. Just kind of see how this all plays out. So I definitely want to use all the stickers on the sheet. I do like to blow out the stickers, as I like to say, when there's a limited supply of a certain style of sticker. So that is the case for these potted plants. There's only 2 sheets of stickers in this book that have those. One is in a clear version, and then we have the paper version that I'm going to use here. The rest of the stickers don't really coordinate all that well with them, so I definitely want to use them up. I've pulled in a few of the washi tapes that I pulled, getting an idea how I might place those on the layout. And now I'm in the Happy Planner sticker book, the Girl with Goals sticker book, and am looking for a quote to pull in here as well. Decided on this fairly large handwritten quote that says, "Don't ignore your potential." Just thought that that was a good message for this theme. I mean, it's not technically about plants, but I feel like succulent plants get a bad rap, and so they have a lot of potential. That's kind of goes in line with also my health journey and just staying focused on where I could be. Just need to get there. So pulled in the terracotta colored washi tape I got from Planning Thing. I liked that pop of the red a bit more than just the black tone that I had originally. Just feel like that really amped up the vibrancy of the spread. So I'm definitely going to use that at the bottom, and then I'm thinking at the top as well. May even do a full border, we'll see. I've also got this handwritten colorful boxes sticker book, which I like the selection in there. I just hate that they all have little titles already predefined for you. So I'm just using some dry line whiteout to cover up those headers. And I'm going to pull those in to mark my workouts for the week. Now, like I said, I'm going to try to stick to a certain color scheme, playing off of the green and the burnt red tone. And I'm pulling in almost like a rainbow of circles here, going from the green to the red across a spread, just because I don't have enough in just one color to use it all throughout the spread. And I really like those circle stickers. So we're going to do more of a rainbow gradient of sorts going across. And I only pulled 6 because I only do 6 workouts. Well, I should say, I only plan to do 6 workouts each week, and then I rest on Saturday. I will say that getting in 6 workouts has been a challenge, especially lately now that I'm in a new location, just trying to get my routine going. But it never hurts to plan for greatness. You know what I'm saying? So who knows? Maybe next week will be the week that it all comes together and I'll hit all 6 days of those workouts as planned. So I tried to work in that botanical list washi tape, and I like it, but it's a little thick, so I'm going to probably need to cut it down a bit more and then figure out how to place it vertically. The good thing is that it is like in a list format, what's written on there, so the text is running down instead of across the washi. So it should be fine using that vertically as a little bit more of a added textural element to the spread. Just got to figure out how to make it a little more low profile and fit it in so it fits with the rest of the theme. I also remembered that I needed to pull in those stat stickers, so I just quickly cut those up and place those there at the top for now. I think that'll be the easiest place so they can all be lined up. Sometimes I like the stat stickers to be staggered, but for the most part, it just is nice to see a repeated repetition across the spread instead of having to kind of hunt and find every day for each item that I usually track. And I cut down that one washi, and I think I'm going to like that, but we'll just go ahead and do the rest directly onto the spread. We'll go ahead and start with the washi tape here at the top. Just lay that in and line that up to the edges. Funny thing happened with this spread. I went to start this video and realized I hadn't printed May at all for my health planner. I thought I had pre-printed all of my planners up through June and just, I guess, did not do my health planner at all. So I had to quickly do it. And then since it's fresh off the printer, it kind of curls the page. So you can see that the page is curling quite a bit there in the upper right corner. So just a little random thing, but I was kind of perturbed because I was all ready to go. I mean, I literally started filming and then I went to grab it out of my planner and I was like, wait a minute. I don't have anything to style any pages. Anyway, just a little random tidbit about what was going on before this video started. So as you can see, I decided to cut down all of those strips once again, and then I'm just going to have them kind of cascading haphazardly down out of the circle stickers so that I have a place there to write in my food log. I also added in another of the plant stickers, trying to use those stickers up there in the sidebar. So I put one at the top, and then I was trying to work in those last two in and around the quote. I do use them, and I think that it could have been great, but the fact that there is an exact same plant on the stickers that are going to go directly below this really threw me when I started to move things over. So I will update this in a second, but for now I put them in trying to use up all the stickers, and as you can kind of see there's a kind of bushy looking succulent plant that's exactly the same right below that I was not really liking. So we will make that change here in a sec. I also shifted it out a little bit into the edge so that I can trim a little bit off of the plants that I laid down there. This was me trying to see if I could rework it so it didn't feel so repetitive right there. I mean, in the end, it kind of worked. I do like that feeling of things continuing off page or, outside of the spread. So I think that works pretty well, even though it wasn't originally the plan. So I've laid in all the stickers at the bottom there on the left, And so let's move on to the right page. Start laying some of that washi tape in. I've already laid in the stat stickers there above. Just trying to set these guys all in place before I lay down the circle stickers so that they just kind of bleed into those circles. And then I'm just trimming them down once I place the circle stickers, so again that it looks like they just bleed into those stickers. And let's go ahead and roll off the rest of these plants. Go ahead and do this cluster on the right side of the page. And finally the center cluster. I am leaving a bit of a gap from the bottom because I'm going to be putting in that washi tape overlay to kind of give it a bit of a ground level to the eye. So I'll drop that in now and line everything up to the edges. Also do some trimming. I do like to flip it over when I can to trim out the center so I can easily see where the line is. And while I'm at it, I'll go ahead and cut out the disc holes so that I can get this back in my planner before the video is done. And I'm just using my precision cutter for that. Talk about that a lot. It's just a great little cutting tool that I really enjoy using in my planner. And okay, this is looking pretty good, but I don't like that hole there on my rest day, so we're going to rework this a smidge, and I'm just going to put a circle there on my rest day, and I'll write in rest day instead of a workout, just for the symmetry, because it feels just empty right there, which I'm not liking. Once I reposition those stickers and figure out what I'm going to do there, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also too, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.